How to enable iPhone call recording. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, scroll all the way down and move into apps. In this page, search for the application phone and then click on it. Tons of different settings will be available to you. Scroll all the way down and you'll see the option of call recording inside calls. Click on it. You can see the call recording option is toggled off, which means that you have disabled the call recordings right now. If you want to enable it, simply toggle on this button. Now this will allow you to use the phone app to record a conversation during call. This saved to the Notes app. Now if you make call to any of the person and then click on call recording, then it will start to record the call and the conversation. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.